Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Savvy Tutorials with Norelle. Today we are going to take our first steps into the world of smartphones. Whether you have an iPhone or an Android device, this video will guide you through the basics of using your new phone. So let's get started. First, let's learn how to turn your smartphone on and off. Now the power button is usually on the side or on the back of your phone. Press and hold the button until you see the logo appear on the screen. And to turn it off, press and hold the power button again and you'll see a bunch of options pop up. Just tap power off or shut it down. Okay, my people, I need to put the phone down so I can record. Anyway, this is my iPhone. The power button here is on the side. See, it turns it on. That's my baby. This is an old phone. The power button is on the top. The phone I'm recording with, the power button is on the side. So that is how you turn it on. You push the button and you turn the phone on. Sometimes it's on the back. Now, to turn the phone off, I have to press the top button on this side and the power button at the same time. Hold, see? And then it says slide to power off. And then the phone will be turned off. And to turn the phone back on, you have to hold the power button until you get an apple. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's da 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 da. Come on, baby. You can do it. There we go. Yay! The phone is powered back on and there's my kitten. And all I gotta do with this one is tap it. See? Cool, huh? Now that we have our phone on, let's take a look at the home screen. This is your main hub for all of your apps. You can open an app by simply tapping the icon. All right, folks, this is the lock screen. To get in, I have a passcode. To get in, I had to swipe up before my passcode would come in. See that? Okay, this is my home screen. This is where all my apps are. I can swipe for more apps. This is my battery life way in the top corner. You see that? Looks like a battery. That tells me how much life I have left. Or I can swipe left and up, left, right, my other left, and up. And that tells me I have 99% battery life left, which is good because I just charged it. And then swipe left. That gives me my home screen again. This is where I can make a phone call. This is my messages. What else is on here? This is where you start everything from. If you swipe left or right, you will find additional screens with more apps. Remember, you can pinch into zoom and swipe to scroll. To pinch, take 2 fingers, put it on the screen, and open wide. That will zoom. Swipe, finger at the bottom of the screen, and swipe up the screen to scroll. Okay, now how to use your touch screen. I have to swipe up. I can do Face ID, but I was showing you the camera. Okay, so if I want to go into my email, boop, I just tap the icon and it brings up my emails. To get out of there, I swipe up. If I want to go into settings, see the gears? All I do is tap that and it brings me into my settings, and then I swipe up, scroll, scroll, scroll. Those are all the settings on my phone. That is generally, and to get out, you swipe up and it goes back out. It closes the icon or the app, whatever you would like to call it. All right, settings. The key settings to know in here are, we're scrolling down. There is volume. Volume is very important. Where is the volume? Where is the volume? There we go. Sounds and whatever. There's the sounds. Hit the arrow, and this bar here is where you can increase the sound. See that? I gotta get closer. There we go. See, in settings under sounds, that's where you increase the volume on your phone. There's the button in settings right there where you connect to your Wi-Fi. You got to set all that up. And your Bluetooth and your notifications. Your notifications are in there. That is right there. See? Notifications right there. Doot, 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 doot. That is where you can set your phone up so that when you get an email, you get notified, or you get a message, you get notified. Oops, shutdown mode. Anyway, this is with the 2 fingers. This is how you pinch. You pinched to make it bigger or smaller. Ooh, oh. No, we don't want to do that. You don't want to go into Zoom. See, I'm in my photos. You use 2 fingers on the touch screen and you pull out, and that is how you zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in and zoom out. Cool, huh? Okie doke. I'm going to show you how to change your wallpaper. Your wallpaper is, okay, click. Push the button to turn it on. Hey there. Kitten is my wallpaper. That is my lock screen. You can change your wallpaper into whatever you want. Hold, push finger down on your lock screen. Finger down on your lock screen. Oh, that's because I got fired. If you hold your lock screen, there you go. Hold the lock screen, then you can customize your wallpaper. There, you can change it to whatever you want. You can put your favorite, I got my kitten. So, kitten is my wallpaper. Or you can go to settings and change your wallpaper in here. There, come on, focus. There we go, focus. There's wallpaper in here. You click on your wallpaper and you can change your wallpaper from your settings. All right, my friends, I have showed you how to turn your phone on and off. I have showed you the home screen, the lock screen. I've showed you settings. Come on. Tap on the icon to get in. There's settings. Let's see. Wi-Fi I showed you. You can toggle on and off. Back. I've showed you how to change your volume. I've showed you notifications. See, you can change your banners. Focus. That's notifications. What else can I show you? Oh, I know what I can do. Scroll up to get out of there. I can show you how to remove, to add and remove your apps on your home screen. See, these are apps, icons or apps. These are the programs that I use. There's some on here that I don't use. It's just, it doesn't matter to me. They stay there. If you want to get rid of one, let's swipe. Swipe. Okay. Say I wanted to get rid of this one. Then you just touch it and you hold it. And then you see all those wigglies, wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. That, if you touch that, it will delete your app or your icon off of your phone. Yep. And if you change your mind, then you just touch outside and the wiggly, wiggly, wigglies will go away. If you want to put 5 or 6 in a group or in a folder, then you take one. See, you hold it and you move it. Oh, there you go. So you can remove or delete it that way too. You can move it on top of another one, on top, see? And it will put it in a folder. There, now. That lotto spot is in a folder. That's how you manipulate your apps and your icons on your smartphone. Great job today, my friends. We have learned how to turn on and off the smartphone. We have learned all about the settings. We've learned about the apps. We've learned how to remove apps and add apps. We've learned a lot today. You've learned how to customize your home page. Oh my goodness, with a little bit of practice, that smartphone is you're going to be a pro in no time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. This is just the first. And I promise you, it's going to get better. Yeah, the first one is always the most difficult. And I have come to the conclusion, I think I'm going to have to buy a new smartphone. And when I do, I'll help you get through that one too. Yeah, oh well. Feel free to leave any questions in my comments. And I will see you in the next video. Bye now. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Or if there's something in particular that you would like me to make a tutorial on, let me know. My next tutorial, I think, is going to be the internet. Or let's see, what should we do? Navigating the internet. We're going to talk about the basics for that one. All right. Have a great day. Talk soon. Bye.